This is the heel elevated deadlift, okay? So first we want to get our heel elevation done. So I'm using these wedges, these metal wedges from Prime Fitness. And I'm gonna put most of my foot on the wedge. I'm gonna leave, my toes are on the ground, but most of my foot is on the wedge. Now when we're doing a heel elevated deadlift, we want heel elevated cues us to think quads. When we think quads, we want to think knees getting as bent as possible. So drive your knees over your toes. So I'm not going to pick up my weight yet. I'm just going to get the movement. And we want to think about more of an up and down movement here instead of like a hinging back and forth movement. All right. So I want my knees to kind of break before my hips do for this one. So it will look like this. See how my knees are driving forward and my body is staying fairly upright, and then back up. Range of motion is going to be different for everyone depending on your mobility and your ankles and your hips. And then back up, okay? So this is a deadlift. We are going to be starting from the floor and coming up. I'm using a trap bar for these. I prefer a trap bar. You could also, a barbell is going to be kind of difficult because we want our knees going forward. So I would encourage you to use a trap bar or dumbbells. Okay, dumbbells would be your other option, and you would put them down at the side here so that you could pick them up that way. All right, so a trap bar, I'm going to start from the bottom, deadlift up, drive my knees forward, down to the ground, deadlift up. So you are actually stopping at the ground and coming back up. Slow eccentric down, stand up. Make sure you're watching my knees, drive forward. Should be burning on the quads.